A beautiful day on the outskirts of Buffalo here today, and every year I take my big green egg and I burn it clean. I'll get it up to maybe 1200 degrees, believe it or not. This year we might hit a little hotter because I put some coal. I got a layer of wood, sticks, then charcoal mixed with nut coal, and then some more charcoal mixed with coal and some sticks. Then a layer of charcoal and some coal, and then 4 pieces of hardwood. I got some cherry wood on there, and that thing is cheeching. Look at that thing. And we're gonna get some flame out of the top of there like a train. Once that coal gets going, it's insane. I pulled the gauge out because the gauge only goes to like 800 or something, and I know with wood I can get it up to, before I put a roast beef on there or a prime rib, I take it up to 800-900. But this is for about 1,000-degree clean out, to where it burns all the old grease off the side of the egg and that. Like I say, she's 24 years old now, approaching 24, I believe, and we just keep her going this way. This will probably crack it though. I went on it. We'll see what it looks like when it's done. I didn't get a picture of it before I started the fire, but she was all black on the inside and all cruddy and real thick around the base, if you know how these things are built. And she was just layered with lots of grease and cooking for a season there. Last season we cooked on it quite a bit. So let this thing chooch and see what happens. You might even might even see some flames come out of the top of that. So I'm going to call the fire department on me. Why wouldn't I? When I light this thing, I think of Drew up there in Canada with his 4 or 5 grills. Facts for snacks. That guy, he's a funny man. Cheers, Drew, if you see this. I don't know what'll post first, the cleaning of the grill or the beer review. This is a raspberry beer. We finally tapped it. I was telling somebody online there a little while ago. So we're going to get a taste on it. We already did. It's very good. Very, very, very good. Smells like raspberry. Nice little port head after 8 days, 9 days on carbonation at my new setting. Get out the way. Get out the way. Oh, even better. The second glass, even better. 7.35%. Wow, maybe this is the official part of the official tasting. And it's the raspberry color. I don't know if the camera's picking up on that. I'm sure it is. Going through the sun there. There goes the wife right in front of the camera. Why wouldn't she? But she's like a raspberry color. You can see it. Small head. Not 100% carbonated, but I think it's almost 85% carbonated. Wow, we love this one here. It's called Raspberry Rapture. Very good beer. Very, very good beer. Now we're about an hour and a half in, and the coal has lit, and everything's burning good to where the actual wood platform is starting to burst into flame. I'm going to put it out with the hose here. The wife's getting the hose. We're going to wet it down. And she's up to like almost 1,000 degrees. Why wouldn't it be? After 2 hours in, she's about 1,100 degrees or better. I had to pull the gauge out, and she's burning clean as a whistle. Like an oven when you put it on in your house and self-clean, it does it 650, whatever it is. This thing's cleaning at 1,100 degrees. And every now and then it gets a little smoke. But she is really pumping her guts out. There's a lot of coal in there. Actually, coal. And that's what it looks like when you get up to 1,200 degrees or so. Platform bursts into flame. We had to put it out with the hose. Absolutely. But she's cleaning out nice. She's almost back to its original color. We're going to burn this clean one more time. Even the cover's dirty. It's all powderized up there. And we'll burn it one more time. Why wouldn't we?